Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare chromium steel versus stainless steel. We'll explore their unique characteristics, compositions, and primary applications. Understanding the differences between these two important metal alloys is crucial for selecting the right material for various tasks. We'll delve into what makes each one special, helping you decide which is better suited for your specific needs, whether it's for tools, kitchenware, or other demanding environments. Chromium steel is an alloy primarily known for its impressive hardness and strength. It incorporates a substantial amount of chromium, which contributes significantly to its robust mechanical properties. This makes it an ideal choice for applications requiring high wear resistance, such as in ball bearings, cutting tools, and even some types of armor. Its ability to withstand friction and maintain structural integrity under stress is a key advantage, making it a workhorse in many industrial settings. Stainless steel is celebrated for its exceptional corrosion resistance, a property largely due to its minimum of 10.5% chromium content. This chromium reacts with oxygen to form a very thin, passive oxide layer on the surface. This invisible layer acts as a barrier, protecting the underlying metal from rust and other forms of corrosion. It even self-repairs if scratched, making stainless steel perfect for kitchen appliances, medical tools, and outdoor architectural elements where durability and hygiene are paramount. So, which is better? The answer truly depends on your specific application. If your primary need is extreme hardness, where resistance and strength for tools or heavy-duty components, chromium steel is likely the superior choice. However, if you require excellent corrosion resistance, a hygienic surface, and aesthetic appeal for items like kitchenware, medical devices, or outdoor structures, then stainless steel is undoubtedly the better option. Each alloy serves distinct purposes, offering unique advantages based on its composition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.